Well, for the first time in history, new construction houses are cheaper than resales. First of all, how did this even come about? Number one, builders overestimated the need for housing in hot states like Florida right after the COVID epidemic ended. And you have to really think about how it works with these builders. They have to develop the land, the infrastructure, get the roads, the plumbing. Those houses have to be built once they get to that point. But more importantly, who does this really impact? Well, it impacts two people. If you're a buyer, there's probably never a better time to buy a home. Right now, new construction, you're going to get your closing costs paid for. A lot of times they're going to cover most of your down payment. They're going to give bonuses to your real estate agent. You're talking highly motivated sellers. These are non-emotional people. They just need to get rid of their inventory. Now, if I'm a seller, now you're competing not just with your neighbor, you're competing against new construction. So one of the things I tell sellers is either take your home off the market or get real with your pricing. If your home needs a new roof, if it needs new air conditioning, if it needs updating, your home may not sell. Pricing is key. And once again, you're competing against new construction. You may want to consider buying down the rate and offering some of the incentives. Bonus to the agent that sells your home. You may want to incentivize the buyer just like the builders are. Remember, they're non-emotional, you are. You have to take the emotion out. If you're looking to buy or sell, or you want a list of the builders that are offering the most incentives, you can give me a call at 813-VINCENT, 813-846-2368. And hey, you can search the MLS just like a realtor by going to tampapad.com. Thanks for watching.